Yo, what up YouTube, it's Rain, me. Hopefully you can hear the washing machine's on a bit of a mad thing. Well, it's not on a mad thing, the washing machine's washing. So, just have to bear with it. Now, these, like me, I've got a particular thing for this particular silhouette. Like if you saw my first channel, I virtually had quite a few pairs of this particular silhouette. I wasn't keen on these at first, and then I saw them. I was like, "Raw, okay, boom, skin, yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna get them." Anyway, this is just gonna be a unboxing, and if you want to see a full review, just give me 20 likes. So what these are these. Now these are the Jordan 13 thingies. I can't remember what the actual proper colorway is. I'd have to. Is it gym red? Maybe, probably gym red. Yeah, man. And all intents and purposes, I'm liking their work. If you want to see a full review, 20 likes and I'll do that. It's a minor. Get the old HD camera out. You get me? So you can see them full in the flesh, live and direct. Rain the Mask and Chopper signing out. See ya.